Welcome to This Week in Vegas Vlogs, Episode 6. Another great week of Vegas vlogs. Bror gets the vlog of the day for the comprehensive Hoover Dam tour. Bror does a 45-minute walking tour of the Hoover Dam in 4K for the vlog of the day. Ruby picks the 10 best places for a cheap breakfast on and off the strip. Steven says that Las Vegas will rule travel and tourism for 2021. Lacey, who is a Vegas realtor, has a live Q&A about moving to Vegas. Steven with the Tuesday vlog of the day for the exclusive interview with the Wicked Spoon chef. Chrissy and Steve interview Vegas native The Other Me, and paraphrasing Mark, he said, "I think it's important as Vegas creators that we support other Vegas creators, even if we don't agree with them. There are a list of vloggers that I don't agree with, but I still watch them. I never thumbs down anyone. I believe in karma." Some people say they own Vegas, but Mark's family literally owned a significant portion of Vegas. Dingo tries out a $14 sandwich at New York's Greenberg's Deli that is big enough for 2 people. That is half of the sandwich right there. And Mums tells us the nationality of the model for the Statue of Liberty, and she wasn't French. Steven gets a vlog of the day for the extensive review of the Wicked Spoon buffet, and he gets an exclusive interview with the executive chef. Chris goes over the Vegas Casino Awards on the Tuesday live stream. Tanya and Dave turn up in the world of Yellow Productions. Sarah Jane gets the Wednesday vlog of the day for exploring one of the oldest archaeological sites in North America. Local Las Vegan Sarah Jane tours a series of caves near Lake Mead that was discovered in 1930. A basket was found in the cave that is nearly 10,000 years old. VBI posts the behind the scenes of their February Henderson Hangout interview with Let Your Light Shine, and you get a look at Chrissy and Steve before they were locals and they were a bit younger. Vegas Visual talks about the best golf course in Las Vegas, and it happens to be one of the top 5 public golf courses in America. Steven goes over his J&J vaccine experience, which was his worst 13 hours of his life. And he talks about Nevada opening up May 1st. The Thursday vlog of the day goes to Steven for helping make the soft opening at Pinball Hall of Fame possible. Pompsy reviews the 2-story penthouse at Circus Circus that has 2 entrances. Then Pompsy checks out the Adventure Dome with Norma Geli and eats at the steakhouse where he discovers Frank Sinatra's booth. Steven gets the vlog of the day not necessarily for the exclusive construction update with the Pinball Hall of Fame staff, but for facilitating the $79,000 check to make this new location on the strip possible. Ted, with Joe, and Casey and Michelle, goes to the Van Gogh experience at Area 15 along with some virtual reality. Joe thought he was super late, but he found out Ted was actually later to the Van Gogh experience at Area 51. Sean and Mark talk about Bellagio's big bathtub controversy and Tropicana being sold to Bally's, which they correctly point out is not the Bally's hotel down the street. In the vlog of the day, Tim explains that it took 1.5 years to get 100 subs when he started in April 2016. Sin City with a March trip from Washington, and they had a vlog subception moment. Vlogging vloggers vlogging other vloggers. Norma tells you about spring things to do in Vegas, including a picnic and a cafe at Lake Las Vegas. Tanya and Dave go over the top 5 steakhouses both on and off the strip. One of the locations was recognized by Bon Appetit in 2009 as the best steaks on earth. In the vlog of the day, Tim celebrates his 5-year YouTube anniversary, and he explains that it took 1.5 years to get his first 100 subs when he started in April 2016. But Tim is the 13th oldest Vegas vlogger. Tim started his Vegas vlogging before Bill and Lisa, Sleepless, Nikki Fromage, and Ace of Vegas. Tim's first vlog was a review of the panoramic suite at Vdara on April 16, 2016. Movestro Vegas gets the vlog of the day for showing people how he makes his music for his vlog. Dan with San Diego-based Jaycation goes to the best Northern Thai restaurant in Vegas, which is off the strip, and Dan interviews the co-owner. Sean and Mark talk about whether Elon Musk ripped off Vegas with their Tesla tunnels, and they also talk about the retail stores that will be at Resorts World. Slot Gypsies Travel appears to be the first Vegas vloggers to live stream a scooter run on the strip. In the Saturday vlog of the day, Movestro goes behind the scenes and shows how he makes his music for his vlogs, which is not what many vloggers would do. About 2 hours into J&K's live stream, the Mirage volcano stopped mid-show. Mirage did restart the show a few minutes later, and everything was okay. About 30 minutes into a 4-hour Fremont live stream, Steven goes to the public weigh station at the Heart Attack Grill and shows everyone how much he weighs. Mark gets the vlog of the day for live streaming the 16th anniversary of the Arts District. The Vegas vlogger with the most subs went to Fremont Street at 10 p.m. and it was packed. Tim shows how to Vegas like a celebrity from start to finish for his 5-year YouTube anniversary special with a cost breakdown. Derek and Catherine try out a luxurious lunch at Hell's Kitchen. Dale and Paula with a staycation at Vdara in a studio parlor with a fountain view room. Tanya and Dave review the Excalibur, which was on their bad list, but is it still? Jacob goes to a secret hiding spot in a wealthy neighborhood inside a gated community. In the Sunday vlog of the day, Mark is the only vlogger to go live for the 16th anniversary of the Arts District. The native Las Vegan loves to promote his hometown, and this live stream is a prime example. Steven gets the vlog of the week for facilitating a $79,000 donation to the Pinball Hall of Fame, which finalizes their move to the Strip. Not many vloggers can make this happen. Here is the top 10 Las Vegas YouTube channels by subscription, and there is a change. Ruby reached 30,000 subs and moves up 2 spots into the number 10 position. Norma Geli reached 30,000 subs this week. Neon Vacation was added this week. There are 67 Vegas vloggers listed and another 40 with less than 1,000 subs. Here is the weather this week in Vegas, and here is the monthly average for Vegas.